Honorable Mbatha, xolisa ngokwenza le gesture. I-gesture edla.
Speaker.
Imama mangiqede.
No, Speaker. No,
Ima
wait
ngiqede.
to speak. No, Speaker.
No.
No,
I'm warning
Speaker.
you.
No.
I am
Speaker.
warning you. I am warning you. I am warning you. You are treading on very thin ice. Imake wena ozonqunywa. Honorable Mbatha, to protect yourself and integrity. Le into oyibonakela uyenza xolisa ngayo ayenziwa leyo nto.
Okay. Ngiyabonga Speaker bengibalwe nje umphimbo kodwa ngiyaxolisa.
Sixolele malungu ahloniphekile akekho umuntu ozorefer kumhlonitshwa uMbatha nokhomba lana uthi nje uyaxolisa. Now, Honorable members, thank you, Honorable Deputy Chief. Who knows what? Mhlonishwa uMbatha. Who knows what? Hi, bo. Hi. How got to mhlonishwa wafunda the Constitution? Ungayenzi into engekho right mhlonishwa uMagubane uthi wenza ukucover ibra yakho ube kanti uzifaka entweni engawufanele umholi. Ungayenzi lento yenzayo. Bahlonishwa izinto enizimemezayo ziyezwakala zi-offensive in terms of the rules, zi-offensive. Phumani kuzona abahlonishwa. Qhubeleka mfoka Mthombeni mhlonishwa. Oh, kancane nje. Mhlonishwa isikhathi bese ku14 akakaze akhulume ngimmisile. Akakaze bese ku14 ngimmisile. Ewe. Mhlonishwa Simelane.
Thank you very much, Speaker. Speaker, I rise in terms of Rule 74.1C.
Okay, ngubani ekukhulunywa ekwenziwe personal reflection kuyena?
Honorable Seme stood up in the House when NEC Duma was debating, pointed at him, indicated that the councillor that was charged, because he has been charged, ate the money with Duma. Uyidle nawe leyo mali. Chanted more than 3 times saying that.
Oh. Mhlonishwa. Angazi ke lokho enikushoyo nithi ukhona ezethez ke angikwazi mina. Mhlonishwa ugrandniece kaPix leka Isaka Seme Sukuma uqale ngokuthi wayese uANC wase uyaphendula uthi wayidla nawe bengithi ke ngesaba ukuba ngathi ngiloko ngikumemezile Mhlonishwa uSeme withdraw lokho bokusho komhlonishwa uDuma.
Wambole ngiyaxolisa.
Hayi angidlali nawe. Hayi. Sorry Maseme. Mhlonishwa uSeme. No, Mhlonishwa uSeme angikaze ngajoke nawe. Kodwa namangilesihlalo ke angijoke neke ngijoke nawe. Withdraw and apologize to the House now. Fokudlala nami.
I withdraw ukuthi wayidla naye.
Apologize ukudlala noSomlo.
Ngiyaxolisa ukudlala noSomlo.
Ngiyabonga Mhlonishwa uSeme. Hayi ngaze nganebhadi ke Mhlonishwa uthwala. Mhlonishwa uthwala usukuma ngaphi umtheshwana Mhlonishwa wami.
No, thank you, Honorable Speaker. I just want to assist you on something.
No. Usukunywa ngomthetho phela la endlini. Usukunywa ngomthetho. Usukunywa ngomthetho. Usukunywa ngomthetho.
Can I-
By the way, bahlanishwa ngidedeleni bakithi. Nonke manje senifuna
Can I please draw your attention to Rule 14.2?
14.2, it's not a rule of the debate.
Then it's
No.
a rule on
Sit down.
functions of the
Sit
Speaker.
down. Sit down. I have, in terms of assistance that is provided by both the Constitution and the Rule 15, there is Deputy Speaker who provides that. Take your seat.
But it's
Sit down.
the rules that are
Sit down.
applied.
Go and learn rules, Mhlonishwa. Rules
the
of
rules that
debate.
must be,
Sit down.
But Speaker,
Don't embarrass yourself. Don't embarrass yourself. You are the only one who stands on a rule that is not rule of debate. Sit down.
I'm impartial when applying the rules.
Sit down.
Earlier on, when NEC called the members of Makoko, you check with him that did you say sir? But when the members from the right side tell you that the members are doing some gestures, you rain on them without checking with them if they've done so. So you must be impartial when applying the rules, Honorable Speaker. Do not treat these people special. They are not special to all of us here. We're all equal in this house.
Okay, sit down. Sit down. I'll
You are the
respond.
one who's causing chaos.
Sit down. Sit down.
Applying the rules.
Sit down. Sit down.
You must be impartial.
Sit down. Sit down.
You must be
Daqala
impartial.
ngiqede ngayo. Daqala ngiqede. The person who had spoken, Honorable Seme, that I rolled on, I said, I heard you uze what. So don't draw parallels where they do not exist. I checked because I said I may have heard him differently. I did not say kuye ingaba andimvanga. I told you that I heard him. No. Oh, sit down. Thank you, Nkomose. Tena nomunye ke ahlale
We
phansi.
what?
Nkomose, memeza nangomunye naye khuluma ngikhuluma.
Because there's an important
Khuluma
issue that is
Nkomose, wenkomose Mhlonishwa. Memeza phela nangumkhaya kwase Newcastle naye ahlale phansi. Ngithe makahlale phansi. Honorable Twala.
You must be consistent on your approach.
No. Honorable Twala, your understanding of consistency is not in line with the rules.
Yes.
Sit
Your role.
kungcono uyayizwa ke. Hlala phansi.